Khubor Laitkam kajing tip nam ta Khubor Laitkam te gidon Tylli ki post ki balaj ki bere po Mawkyrwat Southwest Khasi Hill District te lada phi don ka qualification but phi long man apply te sale ka bron kam te yang ne pementa the district level task force committee on OSC invite application from eligible candidate who are genuine citizen of India for filling of the following post in the office of One Stop Center Southwest Khasi Hill District Mawkyrwat. The appointment is on contractual basis. Kada be contract his name then can renew extended on the basis of performance. Tengen pejenta case worker they nam tai can time to the sex female. Kas name kada arfoi do life arts name the relaxations name the long life news name arfoi do life news name dan kam arngut they can time monthly remuneration kada arfrajar. The essential qualification they belong bachelor in law, lane, social work, lane, sociology, lane, social science, lane, psychology. Te kawai ni kini lapi don ka qualification fill out and apply. Te don kamro work experience ka belong 3 years experience of working on women related relevant domains in a government or non-government program. Kane data nam tai kan thai. Kabar dai psycho social counselor kane dai nam tai kan thai. Sex female kaneru arpoe du life news name katulop kadai arprajar kaneru tang iwe ipus kaneru professional degree lane diploma in psychology lane psychiatry lane neuroscience with a background in health sector 3 years experience of working within a government or non-government health project lane program at the district level and kane paramedical personnel kaneru tang taigan thai arpoe name du life news name Kawai ka post to lokar kena hajar dibendap ya ka degree lane diploma in paramedic with a background in health sector on kam license name ka experience of working within a government or non-government health project. Pasau office assistant with computer knowledge kane bade bat kan tebet senrang kibela ban apply kini Lait Tylli seneng la ban apply tang ikan tei. Kas name kadai arfoi du life news name ka post tang kawai to lok khat prajar. The qualification dimlong graduate with diploma in computers and IT. Mudba have done a graduate bachelor, but have done a diploma in computer. Kaneru don come 3 years experience in data management, process documentation, web-based reporting format, video conferencing or state district with government or non-government IT-based organization. The yakane experience the mlawnong the lada mdon badon experience they can accept it lada don they can shim be yagiba. Don experience kan mau tangga number 4 office assistant kin sya bar kan thei basenrang rei kin Lait Tylli sejrong kin sya tang ikan thei application standard form must be submitted in the office kan mau have late submit lengba ka standard form bar ki documents hapok office of the district social welfare office Mawkyrwat kelas date kedai arf July arjar sau te phya pandap upload itu duly fill application te phya pandap phya panbiang ba kita attested copies of all document testimonial and required work experience la phidon ke experience phya ban you te namta ba jing te bakhamne phya ble ha website southwestkhasil.gov.in te yang ne play jenta ne kinde ki jing te to application standard form phya pandap ilgam ba standard form phya ble submit ba ha office apa Mawkyrwat dan kelas date kedai arf July Mdadarter Tylli duly attested recent passport smart review have required okay dibandon be qualification lala phiko apan apply lala phimdon mdon kam ban apply kas name lada batai e baro lada batai gatu okay teng try tang gitu hi kijing batai nam ta kane lada psai te la phin page ha kamau ba bon be tai Lait Tylli ki post lai ar lai sau Tylli ki post den ta kan thei kawai ka dei khle lang bar kan thei ba sanrang thank you ni kijing tip Khubor